All right, family, you guys can see we are right back to the bando, man. Package came in the mail today. We didn't end up copying nothing out the store because we did end up purchasing some online. So let's bust this joint open right here. And we did catch this on sale as well. You guys can see. Let's pull out the first item. This jacket right here. Crazy. Open this up for you all. Okay, stop. So now that I got that unboxed, unbagged for you all, I'll show you guys the jacket. It is like a denim shirt, but like I say, this material right here in the inside of it, I think they call this like a Sherpa or something like that, like the fur. It's heavy, but it's light, if that makes sense. And I can kind of tell. But you guys see the back of it. And at the top of this right here says Ralph. This is kind of like a, I don't know, like a work jacket, worker's jacket. And on the buttons right here, it also says Polo Ralphlauren. That's dope, and like a new little emblem. It stood out to me because not only do I like, y'all know, like the black material, this is like a wash black, and I thought I had some sneakers. While we do have some sneakers to match up with this perfectly, I think. So I'm gonna try this joint on for y'all. You guys let me know what you think about it. And as you guys can see, the jacket is on your boy. It's on around, so y'all see the back. Nothing on the back, just basically showing you the fit. Sleeves are pretty long. Material, definitely dope. Feel good in the inside of it. Like I say, what stands out to me is the Ralph right here on the chest. One of the main reasons I purchased it. But yeah, man, y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think. You got the pockets on the side of the jacket too, right here on your chest. Any on the inside? None on the inside? Nah. So yeah, man, y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this jacket right here. This wash black is dope. Can't wait for you guys to see the sneakers we're gonna pair with this. So let's get to the next item. And the next item is something small. Just this red beanie right here. Had to pick it up. It was on sale too. Retail is going for like $52. I think I'm ending up getting this beanie for maybe like $25 on the website. You go online, you guys can check. Definitely be on there. You can see dope beanie. Got to actually match up with the fit we gonna put together. So you guys see this one more time. So let's get to the sneakers to complete this out. Now let's get to the sneakers. Drum roll. Like I say, most of my sneakerheads will know what this box is. This is a Jordan 10 box. Let's go in here. And these joints right here are a classic. Come from GOAT. You can see the card right here. These are the Jordan Retro 10 Shadows. As y'all can see, they're black, gray. I don't know what the, let me see, what the actual color. They may call it charred gray, but it's all going to wash gray to me. So I got this to pair up with this jacket right here. As you can see, the back of these sneakers have the red Jumpman. You guys didn't know at the bottom, also a red Jumpman. So it shows level 1 on the tongue. I'm tripping. I don't know why. I always thought the Air Jordan on the tongue was red as well, but it wasn't. But like I said, the red on the back right here, just to match up with the beanie. I'm trying to color coordinate to go with this jacket. Y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think about this jacket right here. Even these sneakers, you know, along with the beanie. Along with the beanie. Just something gonna pair up for the winter time is here. Like I said, this jacket right here is thick. I'm glad I actually purchased this and I caught it on sale. I've been seeing it for a while, but y'all know me. Some of this stuff at $400, I ain't want to purchase this at $400, so I just waited on the sale and ended up paying what I wanted to pay for it. But yeah, you guys, if you haven't already, make sure you sub to the channel. We're going up all 2026. I think this will be the last video for 2025. If you haven't already, like I said, sub to the channel. I'm gonna beat that in you guys' head. Sub to the channel, like this video, get it out to whoever needs to see it. We're going up, man. 10K. We will reach our goal of 10,000 this year. What else do I have for you guys, man? Happy holidays to you all. Merry Christmas to everybody. And if you just sub to the channel and you've been here, thank you. Kudos to y'all for watching me with this channel, helping it grow. And to the next video, guys. But one more thing before we get out of here. If you haven't, I bought on my TikTok. And I tell you guys all the time, my TikToks, you'll see me put the whole fit together with the accessories from top to bottom. That's what I do on my TikTok. If you do not know my TikTok, if you're not subbed already, it's Scotty_Nino. And my Instagram, which is Scotty_Nino as well. Please give me a shout out on there. Follow me. And that's where you'll see me just put the whole fit on. Like I say on YouTube, I just want to expose you guys to the fits. I know you guys want to see what's basically in the stores and everything, and I try to bring you all that. So man, until the next video, I like to say thank y'all, and I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl just wanna